In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when you can't insert shapes in your Word document. If you're clicking Insert, then Shapes, and nothing happens, or shapes are grayed out, the problem is often caused by Grammarly blocking Word. First, open your Word document. Go to the Home tab. Look for the Grammarly icon in the ribbon. It may be on the top right or near the bottom. Click the Grammarly icon. Open Settings from Grammarly inside Word. Find the option that says Turn off suggestions in Microsoft Word or similar. Click Turn off for Microsoft Word. Close your Word document completely. Reopen Word and open your document again. Now go to Insert, then Shapes, and try inserting a shape again. It should work. If it still doesn't work, open the Grammarly for Windows app on your computer. Go to Settings in the Grammarly app. Look for the section that lists connected apps, like Microsoft Word. If Word is shown as blocked or enabled, turn off Grammarly from Microsoft Word there as well. Go back to Word, restart it once more, and try inserting a shape again. You should now be able to insert shapes in your Word document without any problem. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.